Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure leads with Leadpages affiliate program, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin your journey with the Leadpages affiliate program, start by visiting the Leadpages website. Look for the affiliate program link, typically found in the footer or the main navigation menu. Click on the link to learn more about the program's benefits and requirements. Once you have familiarized yourself with the details, click on the Sign Up button to create your account. Fill in the necessary personal information, including your name, email address, and payment details. Make sure to read and agree to the terms and conditions before submitting your application. After submitting, check your email for a confirmation message to verify your account. Once verified, log into your affiliate dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available tools, resources, and marketing materials. Begin by generating your unique affiliate links for Leadpages products. You can find these links in the affiliate dashboard, usually under a section labeled Links or Promotions. Next, decide on your Consider the type of content that resonates with your audience, such as blog posts, videos, or social media. Create high-quality content that highlights the benefits of using Leadpages. In your content, ensure to include your affiliate links to direct your audience to Leadpages. Leverage multiple platforms to maximize your reach, including social media, email newsletters, and your website. Track your performance through the analytics provided in your affiliate dashboard. Monitor which strategies yield the best results and adjust accordingly. Engage with your audience by answering their questions and providing additional resources. Continuously promote Leadpages by creating new content and updating your existing material. Stay informed about any changes in the program, such as commission rates or new products available. Use feedback from your audience to refine your approach and improve your conversion rates. By following these steps, you can effectively secure leads through the Leadpages affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.